Oh, unlucky.
What have I done?
Oh God! Look at this! Look at this train wreck here! Oh my God!
What have I done?
Oh my God! Oh God! I've given him a shot at it. Oh, God, these are a mess. These balls here, they're an absolute nightmare. Look at them.
Yeah, it's not a very easy shot, mate. To be fair.
No, oh no, yours is yours is hard. The way mine are set, though, it's probably a shot to nothing, really. Good shot. Good shot. Yeah, you deserved it for that. Yeah, great shot, that. That didn't even touch the sides, that.
Just got fucking in.
Play with plenty of pace. Yeah, well done. Shit.
Backwards and
Fucking.
forwards.